Ba't mahina?
You from my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. You, baby. Oh, I don't want a lot for Christmas. Living with what now, and I don't care about surprises. Beneath the Christmas tree, I just want you from my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true, baby. All I want for Christmas is you.
Good morning. The few of you that know I would take a bullet for you, and the rest of you, good morning as well, because it is Friday, December the 13th. Do whatever you want with your bullshit Friday the 13th fucking conspiracy theories. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, and futures are up on the S&P 20.9 points. We are at 60.72. We have traded from 60.52.70 overnight to 60.72.60, almost a perfect match. So what does it mean? Well, you know what? I feel pretty fucking disgusted. I actually feel dirty about what it is that I do, because I think that it is so it's so misinterpreted by those who are losers and will play the victim card for the entirety of their life and look at themselves the way that their spouse looks at them. That, why do I even fucking do this? But regardless, I got nothing good to say. I really don't. Futures are up 20 points today. We have nothing. No, I am not going to increase the font. You can do it yourself. We only have U.S. import and export prices today at 8:30. We have no economic data coming out for the rest of the day. Going over on to just a follow-through for those that, well, I got a job. I can't do this. It's too much. Monday morning, 9:54 in the morning, I posted you out your Friday, December 13th IWM 240 puts at $1.72. This is not a day trade. This is not a fucking flip trade. We were looking at 235.36, 235.38. Well, we got it on Friday, yesterday. We got it yesterday. So from buying it there on Monday and getting that 235.38, seeing the trade through, you're up 200%, 208%. Looking at it from where I posted where we could flip it over here on Tuesday morning, as we had the sell-off on Tuesday, the bounce, you were up better than 150%. So make all the excuses you want, but coming over onto the spreads, this is where it starts to get dirty, where yesterday at 12:11, 60.75 is 60.75, because I can't say it too many fucking times over and over again. 12:20, I gave you your risk trades going into the end of the day. 60.85, 60.80, $1.50. 60.80, 60.75, $2.50. So mathematically speaking, if you are risking $2.50 and you are collecting $2.50, it is a 1-to-1 ratio. Thus, closing below 60.75, you make 100% on the amount of money that you are risking. Then over here, right, a couple minutes later, because math is math, 60.65, 60.60s, if you want to FAFO. Well, what does FAFO mean? It's fucking 2024, man. Wake the fuck up. Fuck around and find out. And the reason it's posted that way is because you are looking at a $1 risk for a $4 credit, hence mathematically a $4 100% return on your risk. And the reason I was able to do such a thing is bringing it over onto the chart over here to yesterday. Here we are, boom, right to the gap top, right to the 5-day, the 10-day, early in the morning there, 10:12. Oh, look at this. Oh, the market's open. Ooh, what do I do? What do I do? And as we come in here into 12 o'clock, fucking we're going nowhere. And you're looking here and you're going, come on, man. Let's wake up, people. Wake the fuck up. 60, 79, 68 is your top for the day, where we are. Okay, so if we're only going to get a 20-point range for the day, 60, 79, 68 minus 20 points, that gives you 60, 59, 68. Thus, if you went and you fuck around and find out with your $1 risk for your $4 credit, there is a high probability that you are going to start making it in. And there's the chart to back up exactly what I was saying. And then, again, I see a 95% chance that you get a 60-75 close. Mine is, I give you a 50-50 chance. That was at 2:45 in the afternoon. And what happened to you? What happened to you? Bringing you back onto the chart, because that's what we're going to be focused on. Going in here into, what was this? 15:50. 10 minutes to go. That's exactly why I had to give you a 50-50 chance. You know, it's 4:50 a.m. my time, Friday morning. I'm tired of this bullshit nano fucking range that we're in. And poof, last 10 minutes of the day, you get your drop. So what does it mean? Well, I'll show you what it means. But I'll bring you back over to our data because, like I said, I got nothing positive to say. Going back to November 22nd, okay? November 22nd, the week prior to Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving week, Thanksgiving week, supposed to be the slowest week of the fucking year. And we had a 57-point range, 56.84 on the Monday. We had a 40-point range on the Friday, half trading session after Thanksgiving. And here we are in December, complete crap, bullshit. More importantly, we had a green close November 22 week. We had a green close November 29 week. You had a green close December 6 week. So a green close, 4 green closes in a row on the weekly would mean that we would be closing above 60.83 today, and I call bullshit. That's just me, personally. I call bullshit that you ain't getting a plus 60.83 close. I hope you do, but I don't see it coming. And what they keep doing, as you see here with the 1 minus 60.40.11, negative on the month close right over here on Tuesday. That's the only negative on the month close since the very second day, November 4th, over here in November. The one that ended there on October 31, the very final day of the month, which we knew in October, you remember, we knew October would be red. Here we are with 1 day red. We have traded 60.99 to 60.33 for the entire month of December. Absolute patheticness. And you're going into, unfortunately, like I said, I got very little positive to mention here. December 15th is your full moon, which is this weekend, which means that the window for the full moon had already opened 2 days ago, being on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, with Wednesday of next week being the FOMC meeting. So, personally, put a gun to my head, 60.90.97 right over here. Fucking weird as shit, but yeah, 60.92.59 as we filled that gap, that one tiny little gap that needed to be filled, back over there to 60.90.27. That's it. I call that the full moon top. Full moon top is in. Go play around. Go fuck around and find out if you want to get long going into next week. I wish you the greatest of luck to it because you definitely aren't going to see it. Come over here under the spreads, which is, again, because we do donate 100% and match 100%, and I have other facilities and companies over here owned by foreigners who also contribute to the same thing, which is feeding children properly and getting them in school and getting them off the streets. People quitting as you lost $1 over here on December 2. You lost $1 on that range that was fucking not even 20 points. 18.25 range. Lost $1. Come over here onto, what is it, December 11th on Tuesday. trying to get into the failure where, oh yeah, no, we're 60-60. Yeah. Failed. You lost $2. You almost had 400% a week ago, December 5, and we got 400% yesterday. And you can do all the math that you want when it comes down to the spreads. At the end of the day, we are now 25 trading sessions completed without a plus 1% day. We are now 18 trading sessions completed without a minus 1% day. You are going into the full moon, which is you are into right now. You are going into FOMC, Quad OPEX week. You have 3 green weeks in a row going into this. So once again, because everything is inside of the QQQ, it's all in the QQQ. I wish you the greatest of luck. I really do, especially and I'm speaking to those who think that they can do this. Well, I wish you the greatest of luck because you know what? I'm fucking done with this, man. Have a good weekend. I wish you the best. Here, I'll go over it quick because we're already here. SPX 5 days 60.99.97, 60.29.89. This is the A wave. The B wave bounced to 60.93. The C wave drop, which again I don't expect to come until next week, and I don't expect to go lower than 58.50. Today's Friday. Who really gives a fuck? It's Friday. Come over here onto the VIX. The VIX, here we go. Your gap down already starting. Already starting here with your gap down overnight. 1339 you lose. They crush the VIX on a Friday. And what do they do when they crush the VIX? Fuck the QQQ. I am done with you. They take the IWM and they ramp it and close it green on a Friday. Closing it green on a Friday doesn't mean anything because you got 234.68. You're coming up here and you're resisting at that big 235.38 right now overnight. You don't have any news coming out for you all night long or all day long. So go ahead and let's just throw this on here for shits and giggles. 50-day moving average. Yeah, you're not getting the 50-day moving average this week, so forget about that. So your 20-day moving average up here at 236.80 and your 5-day moving average, which is moving down, which you can see very clearly with a blind eye right there. It was your support levels that were breaking over here and right over here. You failed after your pop yesterday. And again, on the Russell, like I shared with you, you're closing below the open every single day. That was the reason why you were able to make better than 200% on the Russell spread yesterday, knowing that you were closing red. I don't see you going above 237, so enjoy everything that you got going on there with the Russell. Dow Jones, negative as hell. Negative as hell, already broken every bullish trend or rule violation, everything that you want. Negative as hell, oversold more than anybody else. So yeah, you're going to get a bounce. You're going to get a bounce on the Dow because you need to recover that oversold. But this is just a perfect ABC channel all the way down. Again, over here on the dollar, well, hello, you're up here at 107, 178. Overnight, we're right here. Come over on to AVGO, which I had a chance to chart. Don't ask me about AVGO. Please just don't. AVGO is inside of QQQ. I think we've made it pretty clear about QQQ. Here is your Bitcoin fighting for 100,000 and everybody, and their mother smarter than everybody else because of Bitcoin, so enjoy that as well. And here again is your Russell 2000. And as you can see, your just absolute shameful kablam splat down right at 2370, not to the 2355. And now you have your gap up coming up here overnight where, as you can see here, your support going back from earlier in the week, 2380. 2380 is your upside as far as you go today. So again, not because I don't love you, not because I don't care about you, not because I can't fix your problems and change your life for the better, but seeing people take advantage of me and take advantage of the cause of what I do, enjoy your weekend. Enjoy everything about it. I wish you the greatest of weekends, and for those of you that quit, when the day, if the day ever does come, that I happen to be near you and you are on fire, know with 100% surety, I will not piss on you to put that fire out.